Oh my, it's boss time!
Hey, Cole, is it still boss time?
Heck yeah!
Sasha Banks is a multi-time women's champion and was one half of the inaugural women's tag team champions. Now that is a boss.
Corey, what does she have to do to leave here tonight as champion?
She's going to need to be absolutely perfect. And I'm not talking about near perfect or close to perfect. She absolutely needs nothing short of perfection to knock off the champion here tonight.
This is her house. It's her title.
To this day, Paige is the only person to ever simultaneously hold an NXT championship and a main roster title at the same time.
But retaining her title here tonight, guys, will be no easy task.
That's for sure, Cole. In fact, this might be one of the champ's toughest challenges to date.
Introducing the challenger, from Boston, Massachusetts, Sasha Banks. And introducing the champion, from Norwich, England, she's the Paige.
The champion has no intention on tonight being their final night with the title. Big title match here. In my opinion, this championship could main event any show, any place, any time.
Bold declaration, Byron, but given the competitors vying for the title tonight, I'd be inclined to agree. What a brutal assault from the boss.
The boss is giving some serious orders right now.
Popped up.
Meteora! Looking for the victory!
Not yet. All the way up and around the world.
Crucifix head scissors. And Paige manages to reverse out of that one.
But Sasha Banks pulls off the counter.
Thing of beauty from Sasha. Sasha Banks showing everyone that it's boss time.
Even during her NXT days, Sasha Banks has always been so good at capitalizing when her opponent makes even the slightest mistake. That's got to make getting in the ring against her even more stressful.
You're absolutely right, Byron. That's part of what makes her so dangerous. No matter how much her opponent thinks she's paying attention to any opening Sasha leaves in this match, Sasha's going to be finding 5 times as many openings from her opponent. A Machiavellian competitor like Sasha Banks knows how to turn a wrestling match into 3-dimensional chess.
I think there was almost a compliment in there somewhere, Corey. Tough spot for her here, guys.
It's like she doesn't even know where she is.
Oh, no. And there's the reversal from Sasha Banks. Oh, shoulder first.
I think the ring just shifted.
Looks like Paige is starting to fade.
She needs to turn the tide here.
The championship hanging in the balance. bankrupt. Off into the pin. And a kick out.
I guess they do make them tough in England, huh, Saxton? Look out. Here we go.
Look out! Paige just barely gets out of the way. Sasha Banks dodged out of the way there.
Back suplex.
Very nice.
Oh, now it's the boss with a little smack talk. And the big right hands, unloading. Wow, Sasha Banks gets the reversal.
Sleeper slam.
The champ's reign on shaky ground now.
Yeah, this could be the end of the road for her.
Oh. Nice back rotation suplex.
Ah, look at this. Banks is on a roll.
Uh-oh, gentlemen, it is turning into boss time.
Oh, my God, look at Sasha Banks. Just like Byron in his job. Bankrupt. Set him up for the leg sweep.
Nicely done. Sasha Banks is looking fit and legit.
You've been waiting for that all day.
I have. Paige just barely gets out of the way.
Knee strike. A surprising reversal from Sasha Banks. Boom. Nice. Is it enough? 2.
Yeah, and just when you think Paige is done, she fights her way back into it.
Setting up. There it is. Shining Wisdom. Quickly into the cover with the title on the line. Champion's out.
I am impressed.
She got out of the way there. Her evasion techniques are on point. Paige with a page turner. For the win to retain the championship. Plenty of fight left.
She is ready for a fight tonight.
Sasha Banks dodged out of the way there.
You can begin to see it in these superstars' faces. Exhaustion is beginning to set in.
They're starting to breathe. Open hand strike from the boss. Michael Cole, get ready.
Oh, I can't wait. Here we go. Sasha Banks. Top rope mushroom stomp.
The title's in jeopardy here.
I think the paradigm has shifted.
Paige is in trouble.
Sasha Banks avoided that attack and hit back even harder. Sasha's where she loves to be right now, right in the spotlight.
That's awesome. Uh-oh. The double knees.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Ooh, vicious kick. Sasha striking right to the kidney.
Bringing it back into the ring.
Climbing the ropes again. Look out.
Incoming.
She's going after her midsection again.
And can you blame her? It practically has a target on it at this point.
One more time.
Oh, look out. Sasha feeling froggy.
Here comes Sasha. Boss time. Her offense is on point right now.
These superstars have toiled away endlessly, and this crowd is on their feet in full appreciation.
An incredible sight to see.
Hey, Byron, just like you. Bankrupt.
Oh, no. I love it when Sasha starts playing with people. What a tease.
Tough spot to be in. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Boom! From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash!
Paige has all the confidence in the world, which is probably why she's so successful.
What's it going to take to keep her down?
Very admirable performance here, but you have to wonder if she's risking permanent injury.
Inverted DDT! Face crusher!
Really focusing on the torso here. An attack like this will really leave you gasping for air.
Banks grab control of the arm.
Not done yet.
Wow!
Nice arm drag.
There are no words for the ride these fans have gone through in this match.
It has been a roller coaster, and I don't think the ups and downs are over yet.
Incredible athleticism.
She's got to remember to get back in the ring before the referee's 10 count. And Paige manages to reverse out of that one.
Hey, Byron, just like you. Bankrupt!
Oh, no.
Trademark backstabber from the bottom.
And the ropes break this one up.
Great ring awareness there, Michael. There's the backstabber. Sasha rolls through. The big statement.
Big trouble. Sasha cranking on it with everything she's got. And Sasha Banks can look all the naysayers in the eye and hold the title above all their heads.
Here is your winner and new Sasha Banks.
And it's a win here tonight for Sasha Banks.
We knew it would take the performance of a lifetime, and that's exactly what we got. Wow. There's your new champion, ladies and gentlemen.
What a spectacular championship match it was, ladies and gentlemen.